In the upcoming Lok Sabha election on April 26, 2024, the Mysore constituency will witness a contest between BJP's Yaduveer Wadiyar and Congress M. Lakshmanan vying for the seat previously held by BJP's Prathap Simha. This constituency is characterized by the dominance of the Vokkaliga and Kuruba communities. The Mysore Parliamentary constituency in Karnataka comprises 8 assembly constituency segments. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, BJP's Pratap Simha emerged victorious with 6,85,105 votes, defeating INC's CH Vijayashankar. Similarly, in 2014, Pratap Simha secured the seat with 5,02,543 votes over INC's Adagooru H. Vishwanath. Mysore, renowned for its rich history and architectural grandeur, has been a significant cultural and political hub in Karnataka. The majestic Mysore Palace stands as a testament to the city's glorious past under the Wodeyar dynasty and Tipu Sultan. The Mysore Lok Sabha constituency, established in 1977, has historically been under Congress influence, with notable leaders like H.D. Tulsidas, M. Rajashekhar Murthy and Sri Kanta Datta Narasimharaja Wodeyar representing the constituency. However, recent elections have shown a shift, with BJP's Pratap Simha winning the seat, signaling evolving political dynamics in this traditionally Congress-dominated region.